So we've been staying in Playa del Carmen for just under a month. We leave in like 5 days. So we thought we would document kind of what we liked and didn't like and give you whatever inside scoop we have on Playa.
Let's start with the beaches. They are absolutely beautiful. Aqua blue waters, white, soft sand, and quite long. There's a lot of beaches in Playa, but there are a couple of downsides. They're definitely still dealing with the seaweed issue of it coming all the way across the Atlantic and landing on the shores of Mexico. So there are big barriers everywhere and machines that sort of consume the seaweed, so that's interesting and occasionally smelly. Also, I would say the beaches are a bit more crowded than what we were used to on the Pacific side.
I would say one of the good things about Playa is that it's relatively built up and developed. So there's a lot of options for housing beyond just the all-inclusive and like the resorts, which it also has a ton of those. But if you're interested in kind of longer term stays or just something outside of the, resort scene, there are a ton of new condos and apartments that are on Airbnb and VRBO.
The Airbnb that we stayed at this time was by far our favorite, mostly because of the fantastic rooftop pool. In truth, we spent most of our time there. One advantage to staying in Playa is that there are a handful of fun excursions you can go on that are pretty close by. When my family was in town, we took a day trip to Coba, the tallest Mayan ruin on the Yucatan Peninsula, and also the only one you can still climb on. It was super fun, touristy, but fun.
Hey, what do you guys think?
Fantastic. Pretty cool. It is fantastic.
How was it?
It's cool. But
Yeah?
Jungle canopy everywhere.
Oh, that's cool.
Green.
The walk from the parking lot to the pyramid was over a mile, so we decided to ride back on one of these fun little bike taxis. The day trip also included a stop off at an underground cenote. Apparently it was pretty new, so that one wasn't very busy. A cool first experience for me.
That day we also went to Tulum, because that's about an hour from Playa del Carmen. We didn't spend a ton of time there, but the beach was gorgeous. White powder sand and aqua blue waters.
I did.
And we couldn't very well go to Tulum without also checking out the Mayan ruins there.
And that Fifth Avenue is a interesting phenomenon, really. It's like a 2-mile stretch that goes from the,
basically the pier where everyone gets on and off to go to Cozumel.
yeah.
That's kind of where it starts.
Yep, and then it comes like north but it's cobblestone and it's exclusively pedestrians. There's no motorized vehicles on it, and it's loaded with vendors and restaurants and also pretty much all your basic U.S. stores like H&M and Aeropostale, Victoria's Secret. Yeah, they're all here.
You get harassed walking up. You'll be harassed quite a bit walking up and down that street by people selling tours and all that stuff.
Wanting you to buy their jewelry and
tequila, free tequila tastings every morning if you'd like.
And it's definitely, like eating out and shopping is a bit more expensive than any other place in Mexico that we had traveled.
Yeah, the nice thing is it is built up, so there's a ton of different restaurants. Everything from sushi to Indian food to Chicago style pizza. I mean, you can get anything you want here, and there's tons of restaurants.
In a nutshell, Playa is lovely, touristy, and loaded with accommodations that have sweet rooftop pools. There are links in the description below to all the activities we discussed in this video. Thanks for watching.